Worth 4 dot test patient is abnormal retinal correspondence which is seen 4 dots. Paralytic squint. Primary deviation is less than secondary deviation. Dionian retraction syndrome DRS caused by restrictive squint. Force Dixon test is used the defection in paralytic squint and restrictive squint. Positive angle kappa is pseudoexoporia. Muscle pair involved in levo evolution. Intraocular IO right, SR left, superior rectus. Supranuclear eye movement system with sudden gyri conjugate eye movement that occur and gaze shift from the object another known as sacroid system. Position maintain system maintain a specific gaze position by mean of rapid micro movement is called flicks, not a cause of binocular diplopia. Concomitant squint. In paralytic squint, false projection of positive. Primary action of inferior rectus in infraduction. Secondary rectus of inferior rectus of extorsion. Synergins muscle in inferior rectus or superior oblique. In closing, in primary action of superior oblique. Contralateral antagonist of right lateral rectus in left lateral rectus. Feature of paralytic squint is all diplopia, falsification, vergence, upward movement of eye caused by the both superior rectus and inferior oblique. Is also known as infraduction depression. Movement caused by superior oblique muscles in all. Nerve supply of lateral rectus muscles in sixth. Esophoria is type of lateral squint. Grade 2 binocular single vision stand for fusion. There are 6 cranial position of gaze. In Worth 4 dot test, 4 dot test in patient has diplopia if seen is 2 red, 3 green light. Exoporia is common in myopia. Paralytic squint is the primary deviation and secondary deviation. Which of the following rectus muscles insect closest to the limbus in middle rectus? Which of the following muscles insert farthest from the limbus inferior oblique? All of the 4 rectus originate from the common annual tendon around the optic flamen. The third cranial nerve supply all muscles except superior oblique, inferior rectus, superior rectus होता है लेकिन superior oblique third cranial nerve नहीं होता. The only extraocular muscle which does not arise in the apex in the orbit inferior oblique. Third cranial nerve innervation of all of the following is superior oblique muscle. All are caused uniocular dipolar except paralytic squint. Accommodation squint is corrected by the surgery. Which muscles insert of the furthest posterior of the limbus in superior oblique? In grade of binocular vision, grade 2 fusion. ग्रैंड 1 को स्टिमुलेशन मैकुलर परसेप्शन कहते हैं, ग्रैंड 2 को फ्यूजन, ग्रैंड 3 को स्टेप्टोसिंक. Vogot straight या Vogot line is seen in keratoconus. Stocker line on cornea is seen in Pityriginum. Stocker line is due to deposition of iron. Mittendorf's spot is located in lens. Fischer-Kundt spot location in sclera. Anatomical optic disc is located in nasal macula. Macula lutea is also known as yellow spot. Copi- Coplic spot is also known as conjunctiva. Vasian ring is seen in lens. In which of the following conditions cattle truck appearance is seen in CARO? Cotton wool spot is seen in all of the above. Rot Roth spots are seen in leukocytic retinopathy. Carry rate spot is seen in CRAO. In primary, blind spot is located within the temporal. In largest, blind spot is not seen in primary glaucoma. Arterial line is seen in trachoma. Sombring ring is seen in lens. Bite out spot is seen in conjunctiva. Bruising spot is seen in iris. Fascer fuss spot is seen in pathological myopia. Wing ring spot is seen in proliferative vitreous detachment. Wesley ring spot seen in cornea. Electric line is seen in uveitis. Corneal ring infiltration and classification ring in acanthokeratitis. The cornea greatest rejection line is present in the endothelium. Xerophthalmia bite-out spot is seen in conjunctiva. Purkinje image test. Two image aphakia. In mature cataract, which is the following correct? 4 Purkinje image is absent. Pseudoapakia, how many Purkinje image is visible? 4th. Purkinje image which is the invert 4th. Placido disc used with Purkinje first. Distal tonometer is done use the finger. Most accurate measure of IOP applantation tonometer. In CCT, central corneal thickness in highest normal original IOP, which is less than measure use tonometer. Advantage of CTOS tonometer is except accurate कभी नहीं बताता, easy to easy, cheap, portable बताता है. Central cornea thickness is measured using in pachymeter. In diameter, direct ophthalmoscope image magnification in 15 minutes. Indirect ophthalmoscope image in virtual erect. In indirect ophthalmoscopy image real inversion. Distance direct ophthalmoscopy performing 25 cm. Indirect ophthalmoscopy area field is area up to ora serrata. In retinoscopy, its distance between patient examiner increase, distance correction needed will decrease. Retinoscopy is objective method finding the refractive error. In retinoscopy, use the plane mirror 1 meter movement reflects opposite of the movement myopia more than one diopter. In retinopathy, drug correction of phenylephrine is 0 diopter. In where retinoscopy use atropine at 1 meter, no movement of red reflect myopia of 2 diopter. In retinoscopy, if the distance between patient examiner increase, the distance correction need decrease. Retinoscopy is the subjective method of finding refractive. In retinoscopy, use a plane mirror at 1 meter. Movement reflects opposite myopia more than one diopter. In retinoscopic drug correction. Phenylephrine is zero diopter. In vitro retinoscopy use atropine at the 1 meter. No movement reflected to myopic of 2 diopter. Fran test can be used in both finally spare or refraction assessment or BSV. Word for dot test can use the BSV. Word for dot test patient paralyzed squint is seen in how many dots? Fifth. Word for dot test normal person seek and how many dots? Fourth. Word for dot test patient squint seen 4 dot condited is the abnormal retinal correspondence. Fluorescence is evolution of the all. Simmer test measure total secretion of tears. Fluorescence dye disappearance test is done an evolution of lacrimal outflow. Immensial grade used examination of central visual field. Herbie lens used fundus examination on concave. Blue light sodium fluorescence